guys, hope you are all doing fine. It's me again, Lilian Okendo, and I'm here to say thank you for always coming and watching my videos, and to appreciate you all for the support. I don't take it for granted. Homa inanipeleka. I don't know about you guys. I hope mko sawa. Hii homa ni kali isiwapate. So I'm here again with a new video. During this holiday season, mambo imekuwa mingi, and there is this gift that I got from my birthday, and I promised I'll unwrap with you, but I didn't get time. But today I guess it's the right time for me. At least we unwrap and see, because I received this gift that huwa naiona tu kwa watu wengine, but I thank God, at least God has remembered me through a friend mwenye alini surprise. So without talking too much, check, have you subscribed? Check, have you put on a notification bell? Check, have you liked? Like, subscribe, comment down below on this video, particular one. The excitement about this one, I know kila mtu mwenye hana hii kitu na alipata for the first time, wote mlifurahia, si ndio? So tutafungua na nyinyi tuone ni nini tulipewa. Sijui hata wanaiweka aje, but I guess we will do it together with you. So here it's a ring light, guys. This one, it's a very new one. It's a ring light. We have this one. There is this one that I had, only this one. I was given by a friend also, but without the light, the ring light. So this one at least najua kufanya hivyo, kufanya majambo. You see? Yeah. So this one I know how to. Unasemanga aje? Kuunda ama kuinstall ama kufanya nini? Mtanifunza hapo kwa video. Then we have this one. So nimeenda mbio. I received this one also for my birthday. I received this. Ile tu sikuwaipata. Thank you, Beth. Thank you. Here is your gift. I'm really thankful. Yeah, nitakuwa na slay down. Then let me open inside. This is how it is inside. And also I received this necklace. Thank you, Maureen. Here is the gift. Thank you, Maureen. Here is the gift. Kwani kametambo la aje? Okay, Maureen, here's the gift. Thank you. And the other gift that I can't open over here, thank you, I received it. So necklace tunavaa hivi. Sijui kuvaa necklace kwani. Let me show you how cute it is. First, you can see. So you do it like this, then you put it like that. Ebu zoom watu waone. Thank you. That's my necklace. I hope imekaa poa. Iko poa? So that is my necklace. Thank you, Maureen. And also, without forgetting this, M-Pesa ndio ilikuwa mingi. So Naomi, I'll shout out your name. I received your gift through M-Pesa. Auntie Purity, I received your gift through M-Pesa. Who else? There's this Betty. I received your gift, and other girls. The best gift that you gave me. Gift alafu ile ya birthday pia. Not birthday, M-Pesa. For those who came, and thank you so much. So here is to do this video for appreciation. And again, we want to install to fix kufix hii kitu yote tuone vile inatumika. So this one nilikuwa nimesema I know because I had another one, it's there. So here, and we open this box and see. You see what's inside. The ring light, guys. It's a 14 inch. Kama inaoneshikanga hivi. So this is how you open. First of all, you have remote inside. You have this remote. Remote without batteries. There. We have remote. We have this ring light itself. This one you hold the simu, and we have this one. Sijui majina. We have hii ya kuweka kwa socket. We will be doing that side. Inaweka kwa socket. We have this one, and we have this one for the camera. And then we have the microphone. Yeah. So let's fix it. We open here. Kuna kakitu kame nini, so you have to open it and unaiweka na hapa. So you open it like this, then you put this one over here. Nilikuwa nimeangalia tu vile wamefix hapo kwa box na nisaid I'll try it out. So this is how it is, okay? Then what next? We have this socket over here. Akawacha tukarudisha hapo. Usaidie Byra. Pause kwanza. So this is how you put it. Then so this one you stick it on there, then you can see inawaka blue. So hii tunaweka hapa. Hii haiwezi waka bila remote, I guess. First we fix this. It's like this. Put like that. Then this one, it's for here. ikuwe strong. Then you put it here. So if you put like this, it can be like that. How many tight sana? And we have remote. We have this remote. You have to put batteries. Kabla wake you have to weka these ones. They are so small, tiny batteries. Then we have this off, on, and off. Eh? Yangu iko na remote. Yani iko na remote. So, where's the other phone? For this phone, tutajaribu na hii. So you put it like this. If you want to record, I don't know why. Kaka kitu akakai vile tunataka. It is not straightening. It is not straight, but just to. So tutafanya nini na hii simu? So you put it like that. Then this is the microwave. This is microphone, guys. Poleni. So iko na hii ni ya kuweka kwa simu hapa. You see? Then this one what else? This one you put it here. Kwa nguo. Si ati hizi vitu mnajua. Mnajua hizi vitu. Mimi ndio mara yangu ya kwanza. Na clip kwa nguo. So that tukiongea pause kidogo. Kuna mahali hatuja. Hii nini? Maybe kucharge, I don't know. So where is the remote? And this is for the camera. So you do this, and the phone najaribu. So hii ni simu iko on, hii ni ring light ndio. Alafu amesema hii ni camera. Sasa sijui tunafinya wapi. Hivyo. Well, I don't know about this one, you tell me. So when you press, wamesema hapa kwa box. Hii CT ni kuongeza mwangaza. Alafu hii ni ya kuselect color. Sijui kama mnaona kitu ikichange hapo. Hii CT minus ni ya kupunguza lightening. Again unacheza tu na hizi hivyo 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 hivyo. Hakuna nothing much. Then that is it. Do you see something change over there? So this is all about the ring light. Tutajifunza pole pole. And here, if you want to record, maybe let me say I'm recording over here. I'm recording myself. Click out password. So here I'm recording myself and I'm using this microphone speaker. I'm using this speaker. You can see I'm using this speaker. So hi guys, how are you doing? So you can see, so that's how I'll be doing these things, okay, for 1-1. Hebu acha kurekod. Acha. So guys, that is it for today. Hivyo ndio sasa, hivyo mambo imechange, hivyo ndio tutakuwa tunafinya off. At least tumejua hii kazi yake, all of this tumefix, tumejua vile inafanya. And what can I say? I say thank you to my friend. Alisema kazi ya YouTube igrow. Hii ilikuwa 12 inch, hii kuko 14, sorry my people, this was 12 inch. If you have a friend kama huyu, just know you have someone mwenye cares for you, someone mwenye anapenda chenye unafanya, someone mwenye anataka kuona future yako ikigrow, someone mwenye anataka ukue hapo juu, so that you move together. Okay, so thank you so much Milly for this. I really appreciate you, and those who came to my birthday na mkani gift, thank you so much. Okay, nile siwezi anza si mnajua, but nawapenda, na appreciate so sana. And to my YouTube family, nawapenda sana. Continue with your support, because mkini support, leo tuko chini, kesho Mungu atatuweka hapo juu. Wacha Mungu atuweka hapo juu pamoja. You see where we come from, the struggle we've been together, and one day, one time, we will dance. Okay, so to those new YouTubers, those who are still new on the streets, don't give up, keep pushing. I have this one friend, let me give her a shout out, Ayuma Kitchen. Kindly guys, go support that girl. Kazi yake ni mzuri, and bado anatafuta watch hours. And also we have Africana. Kindly go check Africana out, give her support, bado anatafuta watch hours. Nyinyi mnajua tu struggle ya hii street. Kindly let us support others, because for us to be maybe monetized, someone mwenye hata hatujui came and supported us. Why not? Is it worth it to support? For you never know who is going to support you, who is your destiny giver, destiny holder. Kuna tu destiny helper mwenye Mungu ataleta. So usikatae kusupport mwingine. Kwa hayo mengi na machache, nasema asanteni, thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Bye.